Kani kadai ka Bathymmai TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Uba Metbah Lyngdoh, ubalong MLA jong ka Mairang constituency la lai samoy kinti, haka khat lai trek unai luar arajar khat kendai, ulah Shah Jied kum Lamphang Bathymmai jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla, hadin bola penliam no, ya ukertong jong ka Kongres, Winnerson di sangma. Uba Metbah ulayo lai kendai vote, kat ba Winnerson sangma ulayo khat kendai vote. Nakaliang jong mintirang ba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma, bat unong elam jong kaliang persya, u Dr. Mukul sangma, kila ai kublai uba Metbah, bat senran rui u banshimti ke syuki Lamphang, hapo ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ, ka barang dan hapadeng ka dorbar senrai, ka wala kut no minta kesengi ka khat lai terik unai luar arajar khat kendai. Dang haka khat oi terik unai nai luar arajar khat kendai, uba Metbah Lyngdoh ulah Shah Jied ru kum unai lam Bathymmai, jong ka United Democratic Party, bat dang shen ulah herno, na ka syuki kum menteri ke Sorkar Jylla, swabu un yekhun, na ka bintang syuki Lamphang hapo ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla. Ka Jied u Lamphang Bathymmai jong Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla, ka dai hadien ba u Lamphang berim, u Dr. Dan Kuparoy ulah khlat no haka kendai terik penai nai tong arajar khat kendai.
Now I will announce the result of this election. Sri Metbah Lyngdoh secure 39 votes. Sri Winnerson di Sangma secure 19 votes. Since Sri Metbah Lyngdoh has secured more votes, I hereby declare Sri Metbah Lyngdoh elected as Speaker of the 10th Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Under Rules 7, Sub-Rule 4 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I would request the Chief Minister Sri Congratulatory and the Leader of the Opposition Dr. Mukul to escort Metbah Lyngdoh to the chair.
Now, we will continue with the remaining business of the House, and that is felicitation to the newly elected Speaker. Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister, may kindly initiate.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to express and to congratulate you for this great victory to be the next Honorable Speaker of the Meghalaya Assembly. Sir, in fact, it is a great honor and a great privilege for this House that a person of your caliber, of your stature, and more importantly, your experience has today occupied the highest chair in this House. And I'm sure, sir, that with the experience that you have and your personality that you have, that you will excel as a speaker and do justice to all the members of this House and ensure that the House functions in the most productive manner. Sir, I have had the privilege of knowing you, working with you, even before you joined politics. And it has been a great honor, in fact, that we have spent a lot of time together, and I'm sure you remember all those moments. So today, to see you in the highest chair, the chair of the Speaker, it gives me a personal satisfaction also to see you in that chair. And of course, after the demise of our great leader, Dr. Don Kuparoy, I think it is very befitting tribute to him, and the fact that you have today occupied the chair, I think I'm sure that you will continue running the House and continue the kind of work that he had started. And as I said, it's a great honor to see you sitting in that chair today. And as mentioned, apart from working with you even before you joined politics, I have the honor to work with you in the cabinet together. And I must say that today, at least from my cabinet point of view, apart from, of course, all my other cabinet colleagues, that working with you was really a great honor. And in fact, many things we did together, we worked together, we tried to move the state forward together. And today you're not in the cabinet with me. It is a big vacuum and a big loss for me, I should say. But I think the small or big loss for me is a big gain for the House. And today I think without any doubt in my mind, and I'm sure all the members present out here know that you are the most deserving person to sit in that seat and the best candidate today to occupy the seat of the Speaker. As I was mentioning, even in the cabinet when we work together, I have seen how you have worked, how tirelessly you work. I think the two of us used to be one of the first people to come in also, and also the few last people to leave from the office also. So whenever I used to go back at 8:13 at night, if I used to check in and peep into your room, I would always find you there. So I know the kind of hard-working person you are, and I know that all your efforts, your energy, your experience will go into ensuring that this House truly becomes even more productive under your leadership of this Speaker of the House, sir. Sir, I also would like to, on behalf of all the MDA colleagues who have supported you, would like to express my gratitude to all our MDA partners. I think it has been a very good, in fact, sign and a very good message. We could see the opposition numbers have been exact 19, and the ruling side number has been exact 39. And I think this in itself is a very, very good message. I think the speech that and the points that were made by maybe the honorable leader of opposition really also had an impact. I think everybody makes sure that they stuck to their sides and there was no cross voting. So I think that is a very good message for the state, sir. I think it's a good thing, and people of the state are watching, and I think it sends a very, very positive message when this kind of voting takes place. And I must congratulate and thank all the honorable members for participating in this very, very healthy exercise where we have elected the highest post of the Speaker. And so with these few words, sir, once again I take this opportunity to congratulate you, and I'm sure that you will do justice to this seat. And but yes, as I mentioned, we will miss you in the cabinet. All your ideas, your hard work, your entire coordination you used to do with all the other ministers, I think will be missed. But we will try our best to continue the work that you had started also, and will continue to take the state forward, sir. With these few words, once again I congratulate you, and I would like to resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
It is a privilege and honor to congratulate you on being elected as the Honorable Speaker to this highest office of this august House. I must share the perception of the people about you during your innings as minister, as member of the cabinet of the MDA. A minister without any controversy, and probably most, I must say, in the rating if given by the people, you might be at the top. We will miss you as one of the members of the cabinet, as one of the members who have the privilege of taking decision at the highest level of the state's executive. But we are happy, and I'm personally also happy, that you will be more closer, because the office of the leader of the opposition is under the same roof. I had the privilege of associating myself with many honorable speakers. The honorable speakers who have been your predecessors. Often they used to complain. And I remember when I first got elected in 1993, we had plenty of time because we did not take any assignment under the government. So the speakers, honorable speakers then will call us, whoever is in station, that, come to the office of the loneliest man because I need a company. And it has always been a difficult exercise for every party in power or even the party who are in opposition to find a candidate to agree to accept this post. It has always been difficult. We have seen while we were in government, it was very difficult to convince from amongst our colleagues to really accept this chair of the Honorable Speaker. And I'm sure both, not just the Chief Minister, but all other members of the MDMS have done lots of hard work to convince you to agree to accept this post. I don't know, that is my presumption. But nevertheless, we are fortunate now to own you as the Honorable Speaker. You are no longer the monopoly of the MDA anymore. So that's the privilege we have. And with my association with you and the last, since the last preceding terms, you have seen, you have gone through the process, you are well conditioned. You are well conditioned to be where you are now, Mr. Speaker, sir. And therefore, I have no doubt about the high level of, or in other words, the highest benchmark that you will set for your successors in the years to come while discharging the responsibilities of this highest post of this August House.